multiple angles. Good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now we can obtain multiple angles from compound angle formulas, right? And in multiple angles, B is equal to A. This is the basics of multiple angles. So if B is equal to A, we obtain this expression as sine 2A, right? Omitting the brackets. So instead of B here, we put A, we substitute A, and do the same also for this side. Now take note, we have sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. This is actually the same since multiplication is commutative. It doesn't really matter the order in which you multiply. And since this becomes equal to this, when we substitute the B with A, we obtain the expression 2 sine A cos A as our first expression, right? So now this is our first expression for multiple angles. Now let's take our second compound angle formula. Similarly, we are going to substitute B with A. So we have cos of 2A, right? Now cos 2A, let's take this step by step, will be equal to cos A cos B, cos A minus sine A sine A. Now cos A gives us cos square A. The same way sine A gives us sine square A, right? So we obtain our expression as cos square A minus sine square A, and this is equal to cos 2A. And we obtain our second multiple angle formula. And for tan, it's much more easier, right? We are substituting A with B. B with A rather. So now everywhere we see B, we are going to insert A. So now inserting our A, we obtain tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A on the denominator 1 minus tan square A. And this is our third multiple angle formula. Now from our previous videos, we learned that cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1, right? So making cos square A the subject in this equation, we obtain cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Now inserting sine square A, and let's take equation 1. Okay, let's take equation 2 for example. So inserting cos square A into this equation, we obtain cos 2A to be equal to cos square A, which is now 1 minus sine square A minus sine square A. So we obtain cos 2A to be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. And this is our fourth equation. Now there is a last one, right? But that one, instead of inserting cos square A, we rather insert sine square A by making sine square A the subject in this equation, and the same way insert that value into this formula. And doing so, you should get cos 2A to be equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Now please solve and derive this equation yourself. Thanks everyone for watching this video. See you next time. Please subscribe.